After creating your academy, it's time to create a course with SendPulse. In the Courses section, go to the Academy tab. Here you can add courses to your academy by clicking the Create Course button. Enter the course name. Note that the course name will be displayed in your student account's course list, on the website, and on course completion certificates. You can change the name later if needed. After that, click Create Course. Next, you will be redirected to the Course Management panel. Here you can manage your course. To add a course page, click Add Page in the upper right corner. Under the course title, click Add Lesson. Using the Lesson Builder, you can create a lesson, sections, tests, and certificates. To add an instructor, hover over the instructor icon under the title. Click Invite User, and you will be redirected to the team settings. Enter the user's details, select a role, configure access to additional sections in SendPulse, and click Continue. To add students, find the desired course, go to the Students tab and click Invite Students. You can add students manually one by one or from other courses. Then click Invite. Students can also enroll in the course independently via the course website. To launch the course, click Course Start. Don't forget to publish the registration page as well. With SendPulse, you can organize an online learning space for your team, customers, and partners, allowing them to get acquainted with your product or system. LMS or Learning Management System is a software tool that allows you to create, deliver, and track learning programs within a company. Such programs can be used for team training, from onboarding new hires to upskilling experienced employees, for example, through sales training. To create an LMS Academy, go to the Courses section and click Create Academy. In the Modal window, select New LMS Academy. Add the academy name. You can create a new URL address or use an existing one if you have previously created other LMS projects. Add a page through which students will access the courses of this LMS Academy. You can choose a ready-made template or create one from scratch by clicking New Site. When the Academy is ready, it's time to create your first LMS course. In the LMS Academy, click Create Course. To configure the course, follow the same steps as for a regular course, and your LMS course is ready.